wanted to get a picture, they're hard to see, of all the butterflies that are on this milkweed. They almost blend in with it. Almost have to scare them up so you can see them. It's really incredible. There's probably twice this many that you see right now over the course of the day. Just giving you some ideas. And then this is the Anise hyssop, which will absolutely be covered with bees and butterflies. If you're trying to start a pollinator garden, this Anise hyssop is great. You see all the butterflies flitting around now. And you can see all the bumblebees, which I just started doing some research on, and they have a very neat life cycle. I didn't really know anything about them. But I'll do a later garden walk around. These are turnips, a few beets, some carrots, tomatoes. But I'll give you an update on what's going on in the garden a little bit later on. Talk about the bulb plants that we have. We had to transplant them into containers because the voles were just tearing them up. But be back in a little while.